everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to download free MP3 files and move them into iTunes. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty easy. You're just going to open Safari and go to a website called ForShared. And then you're going to hit music. And then you're just going to find a file you want to.
Nogle gange opstår der ubalance i kroppen, så systemet bliver overgearet, og det kan medføre diarré. Med Imodium Plus kan du skabe balance i kroppen igen og stoppe diarré og lindre kramper, luft i maven og oppustethed. Imodium Plus. Stop diarré plus oppustethed og mavekramper.
That will download in 15 seconds or 20 from the start. And you will have to log in with your Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. So you have to log in with one of them, and then you will be able to download it all. Yeah, I'll be back when this is finished downloading. All right.
Når du lider af allergi, har du brug for
fast, so it's about 5 seconds or something. So, boom, boom,
it's been a long day without you,
drag it out to the desktop here. Or what you're gonna do is just open up iTunes, and then you will already
come a long way from where we be.
And boom. If it doesn't shows up, you're gonna go into songs. Then you're just gonna drag this into there, and then you should have the song. And
oh, I'll tell you all about.
And you can see the quality is actually quite good. So yeah, that was really it for my video. See you in the next video.